So guys, for the first method, you want to clean the disk or you want to check for any scratches. For the second method, try using the disk in a different PC or drive. It will then tell you if it's the disk that's the problem or if it's the disk drive. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand DVD CD-ROM drives. You want to find your DVD drive. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. If that's still not working, then you want to right click on it and then click on properties and then go to driver and then click on rollback driver if it lets you. Another thing you can try is click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Once that's been uninstalled, you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. It should then appear again. See if that works. For the last method, go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your Windows computer is up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then try again.